Hello students, this is the class of economics of class 10th. We will start this video with the chapter number 3, that is money and credit. So firstly, we have not if you are not subscribed the channel of Saint Xavier, so please subscribe it now, otherwise you are not getting the notifications of all the subjects. So firstly, we discussed what is money and what is credit. Probably we never know about the money, means when we need something, when we wanted to collect something, when we wanted to purchase anything, at that time we need the money. That is very much important. So at that time we know the power of money. So firstly we discuss why should we study about the money. So we will discuss in the 4 points, means when we wanted to fulfill our needs, at that time we know the power of money. At that time when we wanted to measure our income, when we wanted to measure our expenses, when we wanted to how much we earn, we wanted to know the how much we borrow, and we wanted to how much we save, and we wanted to how much we donate or charity. At that time we know the power of money and we wanted to measure the money. So next point also is there, economic wealth. It is totally depend when we wanted to measure our economic wealth. So firstly, how we know about the money and the calculation of the money, how we are having. At that time we also study about the money and credit, which is totally based on the economic decisions. Those are totally depends on the expansion, investment, saving, allocation, etc. Okay, so we will discuss some major objects points are there, we will discuss in this video. See here, in this video, how did money evolve, how we know, means money आने का, where is the point where we know about the money. In the primitive age there is a need of persons are very limited, means जो भी पर्सन थे पहले वो उनको नीड्स बहुत ही कम था. उनका नीड्स क्या था? फूड, शेल्टर एंड द क्लोथ्स. सो दे हैव टू अरेंज देयर फूड विद द फॉरेस्ट. They have to collect the foods, vegetable, fruits from the forest, and for the cooking they have to cut the wood from the trees, and rest of the part they want, if they wanted to wear any clothes, so they use their plant leaves or the trees leaves, sorry, plant nahi, trees leaves. Okay, so at that time you have seen also that banana leaves very much effective wearing at that time. And next thing is, so there is no need of money, so they are not know the power of money. Emerging of exchanges day by day it increases, means the growth of the civilization needs of the people started day by day increasing. At that time the experts, those are very much expert in their producing goods, like those are making their pots, etc. They are means some other goods, pots and clay material and rest of the parts. So they are started profession as that means that instructions or the production, that a profession also. So they started collecting their goods and produce their goods and exchange their goods by producing them. After exchanging they have to take any other product from the other person. So in this sense one system is started, that is known as barter system. In barter system what we know, the things exchange in place of things. Okay, that is known as barter system. So some main features also there. When we discuss the barter system, so there is an example I will give you. One person X, Mr. X having wheats and Mr. Y having rice. So Mr. X wanted to purchase rice, but Mr. Y wanted to purchase wheat. So they have to exchange their commodities in place of their commodities. So in this section some main features also given. See here, this is the oldest exchange system, सबसे old system था. Goods and services also exchanged. नेक्स्ट डायरेक्टली एक्सचेंज हो जाते थे. देयर आर नो कॉमन मेजर्स वैल्यू. यहाँ पे आपकी वैल्यूज़ कॉमन नहीं होती थी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मिस्टर एक्स हैविंग गोट and Mr. Y having rice. So there is a means there is a no common value between the goat and the rice. So that is the main problem at the time of barter system. No money requirement, means no medium of exchange introduced at that time. So it is also mandatory that double coincidence of wants is there, means when we wanted to purchase a rice, so those are having rice, they also interested to purchase our goat. That time to our means our wants are matched at that time to be exchange our goods. So we discuss next of the topic is advantage of barter system. Advantage is there, means the direct exchange, so satisfaction comes immediately, no medium of exchange required, so low transaction time required, means there is a maximum advantage are there. Next one is limitations. Limitations, no need, there is a need of double coincidence. Of what I am saying means जब हम वीट लेना चाहते हैं तो जो वीट दे रहा है वो गोट भी हमारी ले, क्लियर ना. सो दैट टाइम कोइंसिडेंस, डबल कोइंसिडेंस, दोनों की वॉन्ट्स वहाँ पे मैच करेंगी. लैक ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड मेजर्स ऑफ वैल्यू, यहाँ पे वैल्यू का स्टैंडर्ड नहीं था, मीन्स गोट की वैल्यू वी आर नॉट मेजर विद द राइस वैल्यू. ओके. प्रॉब्लम ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी, वी आर नॉट डिवाइड द गोट इन 4 पार्ट्स. ओके. प्रॉब्लम इन स्टोरिंग वैल्यूज, स्टोरिंग वैल्यूज़ के लिए हमको प्रॉब्लम होता था. नेक्स्ट वन, प्रॉब्लम ऑफ ट्रांसफरिंग वैल्यूज़, वी आर हैविंग वेरी मच प्रॉब्लम इन द ट्रांसफरिंग वैल्यूज़. डिफर्ड पेमेंट वॉज नॉट पॉसिबल, बाद में पॉसिबल नहीं हो सकता था कि हम उसका पेमेंट कर दें. So needs of double coincidence of wants, there is a one example given here. See the example. Ram Vilas is a person of pot maker. He wanted to sell his pot, but in place of pot they have to purchase the cloths. So there is a need of double coincidence. Next one is commodity money. What is the meaning of commodity money? Commodity money is used as a money, means वी यूज़ अवर कमोडिटी इन प्लेस ऑफ मनी. हम अपने कमोडिटी को जनरल डिमांड में रख के उसको मीडियम ऑफ एक्सचेंज बना देते हैं. मीन्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी वांटेड टू पे समथिंग, सो हमने अपने पे करने के लिए अपनी कमोडिटी को दे दिया. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट वन इज एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ कमोडिटी मनी, सम गिवन हियर. सी वेरियस कमोडिटीज हैविंग हिस्टोरिकल सर्व लाइक कैटल, आई वॉज टेलिंग यू गोट एंड ऑल, tobacco, sugar, grain, nails, shells, hides, etc. But there is a transaction still essential in the barter trade. barter trade में हमको यही तो चाहिए होता है कि हम commodity के place पे commodity exchange करते हैं, not money. Limitations of commodity money is there. Some points are given there. Needs of double coincidence, I have told you already. Lack of standard, this one also told you. Problem of storing values, problem of transferring values, deferred payment, same thing. It is introduced in the commodity money. Thank you for listening me. This much only in this video. See the next part of this chapter. Thank you.